जय विजय एवरीवन। शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो शुभ करता है, कल्याण करता है, आरोग्य रखता है, धन संपदा करता है और शत्रु बुद्धि का विनाश करता है, ऐसे दीप यानी दीपक की रोशनी को मैं नमन करता हूँ।
Today we will see what all the steps you can do for the first aid for cuts and wounds. Now, if a cut is an injury that results in a break or opening in the skin, if you have fell down and if there is any cut, then it is a small injury, okay? If the wound is not too deep, it is called minor wound. Minor wounds can be treated at home. And if the cut is deep and bleeding heavily, it is called major wound. Okay, if the cut is small, बहुत सारा खून नहीं निकल रहा है, छोटा सा कट है, तो इसको माइनर वुंड बोलते हैं. And if it is bleeding heavily and the cut is much deeper, then it is called major wound. In that case, major wound you must definitely and immediately taken to the hospital, as they may require special treatment. Okay, don't try to cure the major wound at home. Minor cuts can be treated at home with the help of the first aid kit, but in case of major wound, you need to rush to the doctor immediately. See, this is a minor wound and this is a major wound. Now, what are steps you can follow to cure your minor wound at home? First of all, wash your hands thoroughly with soap to avoid infection. Then wash the cut with a mild soap and water. Now, apply direct pressure to stop the bleeding. If you apply pressure, then bleeding will stop. With an antiseptic solution, apply with the help of cotton to kill the germs and stop infection from spreading. So, if you are applying it, so infection will not spread through other parts of your body. After that, you have to apply an antibacterial ointment to coat and protect the wound. Do not apply oil or grease to the wound, as it will worsen the wound. Once the wound had stopped bleeding, cover it with a bandage that will not stick to the injury. एकदम उसमें चिपक जाए ऐसा नहीं लेना है, वरना आपको ज़्यादा दर्द होगा. जस्ट थोड़ा सा बड़े साइज का लो एंड wrap it around your wound so that it will cure. Okay, so what are the do's? Wash the wound with a clean water, then clean the wound with an antiseptic solution. What you should not do is apply oil or grease to the wound. How to stop a nosebleed?
Nosebleeds can strike anytime, particularly during the
especially
cold, dry months of winter.
While they can be a messy nuisance, they are rarely
Nosebleeds are rarely an emergency. You can treat it at home. When the nose bleeds, lean forward.
blood in your mouth, spit it out. Not swallow.
Try to clean it with the cotton and put a nasal spray.
Pinch the soft part of your nose shut.
Just pinch your soft part of the nose and lean forward and sit.
Track of time. Resist the urge to release the
Wait for 10 minutes.
after a few minutes.
If you get a nosebleed, remain calm. Just lean forward and use a decongestant spray and pinch your nose for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let go of your nose. 10 minutes के बाद bleeding stop हो जाएगी most cases में.
Again, use a cloth.
Then you can put a medicine in a cotton and put it in your nostrils, infected nostrils from which the bleeding is
High
coming.
blood pressure can cause nosebleeds.
Now, what steps you should not do? Okay. Now you have to pinch the soft side of your nose. Don't pinch the bony part of your nose. Okay. एंड टिश्यू एकदम ज़्यादा अंदर नोज़ के अंदर नहीं डालना है, अदरवाइज ब्लीडिंग विल कंटिन्यू. दिस कैन मेक द ब्लीडिंग वर्स. तो बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर नहीं डालना है टिश्यू. एंड आपको बैकवर्ड पे लिम नहीं करना है या सोना भी नहीं है ऐसे, अदरवाइज आपको वॉमिटिंग फील होगी, नॉसिया एंड वॉमिटिंग. डू नॉट लिफ्ट हैवी थिंग्स. So do not pick up young children. Lawn work, cleaning, snow clearing, which can cause sinus pressure to increase. So remember, it takes 2 full weeks to heal the nose bleeding. उस टाइम तो bleeding stop हो जाएगा, लेकिन 2 weeks लगेंगे आपको properly cure होने में आपके nose को. Okay. So what things you should not do are what are the don'ts? They are don't lean backwards, otherwise bleeding will worsen. Okay. Don't pinch the hard part, bony part of your nose. You have to pinch the soft part. So, and don't lift heavy objects. So these are the don'ts of the nose bleeding. Now, what are the medicines you can use for your nosebleed? Preventive care is essential when managing the nosebleeds. These are the nasal sprays that you can use for your nose bleeding. It is important to keep your nose and nostrils moist. ये जो nasal sprays है वो आपकी nose को moist रखने के लिए है. So आपको drops डालने हैं आपकी nose में. These are the moisturizers. Vicks का cool moisturizer होता है, that will Vaseline, Vicks, they are moisturizers available that will keep your nose moist. You can even use cotton balls to उस पर nasal spray लगा दो और cotton को अपने nose पे रखो जिस part पे nostril में bleeding आ रही है, तो उससे भी जल्दी असर होगा. Steroid sprays can dry out, so don't use steroid sprays. उससे अच्छा सबसे बेस्ट है Vaseline jelly. Part 4 is when should you contact your doctor? Okay. Then you should go to your doctor if the bleeding does not stop for 30 minutes. Half an hour is over and then also your bleeding doesn't stop, then you should immediately contact your doctor. It is important to contact your provider. If you have more than 3 to 4 nosebleeds per week or more than 6 nosebleeds per month, then you have to contact your doctor. Otherwise, nosebleeds are rarely an emergency. There are some situations that require medical attention. That are, if bleeding does not stop in 30 minutes, okay, आधा घंटा हो गया है फिर भी आपकी bleeding stop नहीं हो रही है, तो आपको आपके डॉक्टर को immediately consult करना है. और if in a week you have 2 to 3 times nose bleeding or you have 6 nose bleedings per month, then also you should contact your doctor. Then if there is a heavy bleeding, then you have to contact your doctor. Bleeding with other symptoms, की bleeding के साथ आपको और भी symptoms है, जैसे कि chest pain हो रहा है, high BP हो रहा है, dizziness हो रही है. ओके, तो ये सब के लिए भी आपको डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करना है.
They can be frightening at first, but are rarely dangerous.
Nose bleedings frightening लगते हैं but dangerous नहीं है. You can cure it.
What to do when they occur. First aid.
Now first aid for electric shocks. Okay. A human body is a good conductor of electricity. So direct contact with electric current can even kill us. Okay, हमारा body जो है वो good conductor of electricity है, तो easily electricity हमारे body में से pass हो सकती है, तो हमें shock लग सकता है. And we can even die. Okay, due to electric shock. Now when the electric current passes through our body, it destroys our muscles, nerves and tissues. It can cause burns or even the functioning of the heart can be affected. Okay, कभी हम जल भी सकते हैं electric shock से. So what you should do is, if you see someone getting an electric shock, then you should first of all the first thing you should do is you should cut the power off. ओके, जो मेन सोर्स है आपके पावर को वो आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनप्लग कर देना चाहिए. आपकी जो मेन स्विच है वो आपको बंद कर देनी चाहिए. इससे क्या होगा कि करंट आना बंद हो जाएगा. तो सबसे पहले अब जो मेन सोर्स ऑफ पावर है जहाँ से करंट आता है वो मेन स्विच आपको बंद कर देनी चाहिए. Now if the current can't be turned off, उससे भी अगर उसको शॉक कम नहीं हुआ है तो what you should do is use a non-conducting object such as a broom, chair, rug or rubber to push the victim away from the source of current. Okay, ये जो है रबर है, चेयर है, ब्रूम है, वो क्या है, नॉन कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, तो उसमें से करंट पास नहीं होगा. तो आपको क्या करना है कि कोई भी ऐसा नॉन कंडक्टर लेना है और उसकी हेल्प से आपको पेशेंट को उस करंट के सोर्स से दूर करना है. ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू move the patient away from the source of electric current. Okay, so use any non-conductor things such as broom, chair or rubber to push the victim away from the source of current.
Can't be turned off. Use a non-conducting object such as a broom, chair, rug or rubber doormat. Rug the soap. Stand on something.
Now, human
hard
body is good
and
conductor of
non-conducting,
electricity, so
such
direct
as
contact
mat,
can
wood,
kill
or
us.
folded newspapers. Don't use
डोंट यूज अ वेट और मेटल ऑब्जेक्ट. कि उससे क्या होगा कि वेट होगा तो करंट ज़्यादा लगेगा आपको, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ गुड वाटर इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. डू नॉट ट्राई टू सेव विक्टिम नियर ए हाई वोल्टेज लाइन्स. And once the victim is free from source of electricity, check the victim's breathing and pulse कि उसके breathing और pulse normal है कि नहीं, वो आपको फिर check करना है. If the pulse has stopped or it is seems to be dangerously slow, तो start the first aid. Okay, अगर उनके pulse normal नहीं है तो आपको first aid देना है उनको. Electric shocks can even give the person a burn. कभी कभी जल भी जाते हैं electric shock से. So if the victim has a burn, remove any clothing that comes off easily and rinse the burned area in a cooling water until the pain subsides. ठंडा पानी लेके burn पे डालना है.
Give first aid for burns.
Now if the person is in shock, lay him down with the head slightly lower than the trunk of the body. जैसे फोटो में दिखाया है ऐसे आपको उसको सुलाना है. देन कवर द पर्सन विद अ वार्म ब्लैंकेट एंड स्टे टिल मेडिकल हेल्प अराइव्स. जब तक मेडिकल हेल्प नहीं पहुंचती है तब तक आपको ऐसे फर्स्ट एड देना है घर पे. डू नॉट टच द विक्टिम विथ योर बेयर हैंड्स, अदरवाइज उसको तो शॉक लगा है, साथ में आपको भी शॉक लग जाएगा. तो आपको बेयर हैंड से उसको टच नहीं करना है. यूज एनी नॉन कंडक्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट टू पुल हिम अवे. Do not touch the skin who is being electrically conducted. Otherwise क्या होगा, you will also get a shock. So you should stay 20 feet away from someone who is in a high voltage electric current until the power is turned off. Immediately आपको rush करके उसको नहीं बचाना है. आपको पहले जब तक उसका इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक बंद नहीं कर दो मेन पावर, तब तक आपको उसको टच नहीं करना है, वरना आपको भी शॉक लग सकता है. Do not use electric appliances while showering or wet, क्योंकि उसमें से भी आपको करंट आ सकता है. During the rainy season, stay away from electric poles and snapped wires. Do not do electric work without wearing gloves made of insulated material. ये जो ग्लोव्स है इंसुलेटेड मटेरियल के हैं, तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपको शॉक नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि इंसुलेशन प्रोवाइडेड है, तो यू वॉन्ट गेट शॉक.